Woohoo! Hey my friend, Justin Temple here with a really quick video on Financial Literacy 101. If you are trying to learn how to become more money focused and learn how to become more financially literate, how to manage your money, how to start buying assets rather than liabilities, how to actually be able to pay for liabilities with assets so that way you can enjoy your life, right? How to actually be able to deduct expenses in your business on your taxes. And this is not a tax video. Any kind of disclaimer for taxes, throw it right here, right now. Not here to teach you about taxes or anything. This is just one of the amazing resources that I use for financial literacy education. And so this is where I also share, I have a team. So basically I do affiliate marketing. I'm not a real estate person. I do want to get into that. Maybe you're into real estate. Maybe you're into flipping. Maybe you're into HVAC. Maybe you're into a SaaS company. I don't know, whatever you're into. But financial literacy education is very important. Okay, so let's get into this. Anyways, this is for people that want to be able to pay for their cars with their business, be able to protect their stuff through an LLC, be able to write off expenses on your taxes, and really run your life through a business. Okay, that's what this is for. Okay, so let's get into this real quick, and thank you for being on this video. My name is Justin Temple again. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future videos. I'm going to be doing a few videos on financial literacy, so go ahead and make sure to subscribe. So really quick, here's an income disclosure. I always like to do this in my videos. No results typical. If you see any income or anyone making money in this program, just understand that it's affiliate marketing. It takes work. You do need to have a capture page and get traffic to the capture page. It's not a buy and get money to fall into your lap. Okay, so this is a real business, and because it's a real business, it has a real income disclosure. So if you decide to buy anything from my links, I will make a commission. So just understand that. Anyways, let's move on to the actual meat and potatoes. So right here we have Financial Literacy 101. We have the drop downs right here, and then we also have the modules or the lessons inside. So right here the first one is Financial Literacy 101. And then we have Debt Elimination 101 and so on, and we'll get into these in a second. But first is Financial Literacy 101. And the first video is the big overview picture. All right, so just to explain, the overview picture, and we all know what that means, but it's a lot more about who the owners are and their personal story. And so I always like to learn about people's stories in affiliate marketing, in network marketing, and home business, not because their story is important to me, not really, like I'm not important to you. Who am I to say that I'm important to you and that my story is important to you? That's not really something I should say. So is this story important to me? It is in a way because not necessarily for my direct benefit, but I use these stories as marketing material. So now, every time I learn about someone's story, about who they are, about where they started from in affiliate marketing or home business, I'm able to send out an email to my list saying, hey, Paul right here, started in a single wide trailer home with $30,000 in debt and four boys, and he has a wife, Corrine, and he lived frugally, and so he was able to go from a single wide trailer home into a millionaire business owner. Again, no results guaranteed. So these stories are important because you can relate with your audience. You can be like, hey, you can send out an email that says spouse not into your new business ? Or something like that, and then you can have a story in your email about how Paul and Corrine stuck it together and believed in each other and did the financial literate way of life to be able to live frugally and invest money properly. And these are stories that I can use in my marketing. So don't discredit the overview videos. They're very powerful. They're not basic. Okay, this is very detailed information. Paul is going to explain to you how he used financial literacy to be able to change his life. So it's not just like, oh, I'm a father and da-da-da-da-da, and buy my stuff. Like, that's not what this is. This is really good information. Now, the next lesson is the truth about money, okay? So something about financial literacy is it's not a really dumb version of education, but what you need to understand is that financial education and financial literacy is not a smart topic. You don't have to be smart to understand money. It's like, oh, I get $100 a month and I have like $50 a month in expenses. How much money do I really have to invest? It's not rocket science. You don't need to be Elon Musk to figure out financial literacy, but it's something that's not taught in schools, and it's something that you need to learn if you want to escape the rat race. And even if you do love your job, wouldn't it be a lot better? Wouldn't you love your job a lot more if you had some passive income, so you didn't even have to worry about budget cuts and stuff? You know, like there's a lot of teachers out there always. My mom's a teacher. She's always worried about every year budget cuts. You know, like, you know, maybe teachers need to have some passive income so they're not worried about budget cuts, you know? So financial literacy and being financially literate is not a smart topic. It's not a smart topic. It's a topic for everyone to understand, and it's very easy to understand. So the truth about money, and you know, this is one of the little aspects of it. It's not the whole video, but the truth is, it's so easy even kids can understand. So this is not dumbed down information. This is the real information that you need, and it's so simple that anyone can do it. And so that's what I want to convey to you really quick. And then so we also, here's some of the, in this video, the truth about money is they go over some of the half-truths and things like that. So like, money's not important. So like here, you know, are some beliefs that people think about money, right? And these are things that the kids are taught from their parents and taught from TV, and just, I don't know, like, celebrities have money, so they don't learn it from celebrities, but, yeah, I don't know where people learn money's not important and stuff, like, but, in these videos, we re-educate you on what money is and how to think about money a lot better. And again, this is not for kids, but this is so simple that you can send your kids through this, and after this, they can do your taxes. They can set up your LLC. They can literally do, like, all your stuff. Okay, so it's not for kids, but this is a simple education. Financial literacy and being financially literate is a simple education that anyone can master. So let's move on. Why the rich get richer. And also, I pause these videos in certain spots just to show you, this is a $1,000 product. Now, it is 50% off for the first 2 weeks inside of HBA, but this is a $1,000 product. I want you to see what's inside. I want you to, you know, I want you to know that, it's not just a bullet point presentation. There's real information. There's real things that you can learn in here. So why the rich get richer. So we talk about which is taxed 50%, what's taxed 20%, what's taxed 0%, and how you can actually start to move into those tax brackets. So, you know, I don't want to just like be like, oh, here's a video about why the rich get richer, and you're like sitting there wondering like, well, what is he really going to teach me? Sorry, the sun's really glaring on me. Let me go close my blinds a little bit. Alright, anyways, what were we talking about? Alright, so, why the rich get richer. And so it talks about income, expenses, profit, loss, and it talks about the flow of money. Okay, so I'm not going to give you what's in these videos, but I'm trying to show you that you are getting real financially literate education in here, okay? And it is worth the $1,000, and it's even 50% off for 2 weeks. So right here we have priceless distinctions for Freedom Crusaders. So this talks about like principles of money, how money's paid. So one of the aspects of this video, and I know this picture doesn't make sense because you're not listening to it, but I paused it here because of this right here. Most of your payment in the first few years goes to interest. So one of the things that I learned in this Financially Literate Academy is that your mortgage is front-loaded. You pay most of your mortgage up front. So the banks get all their money within the first like 5 years to 10 years, and then you're paying off like little bits at the end for the 20 to 30 years. So the banks get their money sooner, right? It's like they're protecting themselves. So it shows you the truth about how money flows and what you're paying for and how you can avoid paying for that stupid stuff. So now I only have a few more minutes, but how to buy your way to freedom. So this is how to get toys for free. So how to get your cars, your boats, your jet skis, your yachts, your everything like that that you want. How to get that in a taxable way, in a way that you're not, just spending money on something and having to pay consumer tax. This is how to actually put it under your business and get your toys under your business. Illusions of wealth right here. High income equals wealth. So this talks about like, okay, so if you have money and you have assets and you have resources, what are some of the things that people think about now at this level that they shouldn't be thinking about? And one of the things is higher income is higher wealth. I live frugally, and I don't have no shit. So I live frugally. I don't have no pictures and I have a double door that looks out and a beautiful sunset I had to close, but I mean, I'm very frugal. So high income to me means more investments, not better cars or anything like that. But so there's illusions of wealth, what to believe at certain levels of your money. And so we have words from the wise. So this is everything we went over. Common myths about money, financial freedom explained in 2 simple pictures, how to get free toys, key definitions of wealth, illusions of wealth, and the one thing that you need to be financially literate. So that's the first part right there, is Financial Literacy 101. And I wanted to explain what those modules were really quick for you. There's other modules, but this video is about Financial Literacy 101, technically. That's the title. But we also have debt elimination, okay? So let's go to debt elimination. And also, really quick, I just made a video yesterday about the full Financial Literacy Academy review. So if I happen to miss anything or you want to go through something a lot in more detail, like let's say you want to see the car flipping strategies in more detail, I will have a review video for that so that you can check out that in more detail. But I don't know why this is taking forever to load. But anyways, so the videos are taking forever to load, but here's the debt elimination. So here's the overview, the normal path, and the abnormal path. So in these 2 videos, these are really cool because these 2 videos show you how like a millennial like me or someone young like me might be living their life on credit cards and not paying their credit cards and getting a girlfriend, and now they're having to pay off stuff together, and it ends up being this big old debt mess. This video shows you the abnormal path of living a frugal entrepreneurial lifestyle so that you can invest more money, and it's a really, really awesome, I love how Paul explains it. Paul's a great teacher. So priceless debt distinctions, 5 debt facts that will shock you, mortgage elimination strategies, debt destroying calculator. We even give you a calculator and everything, all the resources, all the documents that you need to calculate your mortgage and your debt and how much you want to pay. All that stuff's in here, guys. Everything's in here. You don't need to go anywhere else. Then we have goodbye consumer debt. So that's really, really awesome, guys. Really powerful information. Then what I really am into is the Reducing Taxes 101 by having a business. So we have the introduction, which entity to use for your business, how to turn your car into a taxable gold mine, cashing in on the home business deduction, right? Discount your dining with food deductions, eliminating Social Security and Medicare tax with S corporations, sale of property strategies, massive tax-free profits with the 1031 exchange. So really, really awesome financial education in this program. I only got another 20 seconds, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, ask me down below. There's also a review video of the entire program where I go through all the modules. Okay, so go and check that out in the description below, and go and click the link, and I'll see you on my page, justinleontemple.com. If you have any questions, ask them down below, and I will see you in the next video, my friend. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching Financial Literacy 101.